Dishwasher Compactor Updates, Fall 2007. JennAir Maytag dishwashers will have a steam clean option. Can be used with China, crystal, normal, auto, and heavy cycles. The steam clean option will raise the final rinse temperature to 154 degrees Fahrenheit. JennAir dishwasher, models JDB1095 and JDB1105. Maytag dishwasher, model MDB8951B. JennAir dishwasher. This system fully drains the water and utilizes the residual moisture to form a cloud of water vapor. The steam clean option will add 24 minutes to the cycle. The heater cycle is on 3 minutes, off 1 minute, on 3 minutes, off 17 minutes. Silent pause for 24 minutes. KitchenAid Compactor. Know the major changes to the KitchenAid Compactor. KitchenAid Compactor. FID compact drawer start switch, bending or activated inadvertently. Factory has been using number 6 screws to secure switch and actuator. Better retention with number 8 screws. Adding bumpers prevents overclosing of drawer. See parts, next slide. Foot pedal binding. 1A. The foot pedal will bind between the slide track support, container bottom where the foot pedal screws are installed. This will cause the foot pedal to bind or stick. The solution is to pull the slide track away from the pedal with a screwdriver or tool that can fit between the track and pedal. This should ensure that binding is not caused by the shoulder screws 780263 after bending the container bottom. 1B. The foot pedal can be bowed, causing the shoulder screws 780263 that retain the pedal to bind. A modified screw, 780263, with a longer shoulder will be available in July. 1C. The foot pedal screws, 780263, can be loose or binding against the container. Tighten the screws properly. 2. Actuator 987-1976 falling off or loose. 2A. Screws 246131, number 6, 20 by 0.375, should be replaced by screws 319-6175, number 8, 18 by 0.375. Units built before March 2007 will have the number 6 screw. 3. Actuator 987-1976 causes start switch 987-1984 to depress, switch closed. All the mentioned below can cause the ram to run off the power screws, causing a loud clanging noise. 3A. There are 3 possible causes here. 1. The foot pedal is sticking. Revert back to item A. 3B. 2. The actuator is bent. The service tech should bend the actuator. Overbending will crack the spring steel to avoid depressing the start switch 987-1984. 3C. The actuator does not normally depress the start switch during drawer closing, but can intermittently cause the unit to start. Number 4. The actuator 987-1976 does not depress the start switch 987-1984. 4A. Often misdiagnosed, the motor will be replaced or all switches will be replaced. The actuator should be bent to function properly. Care should be used not to overbend the actuator. KitchenAid Compactor. Review the parts.